Okay, the cost of parking in a parking garage in Chicago is represented by the equation y equals 15x plus 20, where y is the total cost in dollars and x is the time in hours. The table shows the total cost to park in a parking garage in Denver. So this is Denver. Okay, Chicago, they gave you the equation. That was nice. Chicago is going to be y equals 15x plus 20. Okay. It says which city's parking garage charges more per hour and by how much more? After how many hours would parking in both cities cost the same? Okay, so we have Chicago's equation already. We've got to find Denver's. So we've got to find the slope first. And that's M equals the difference in y's, which is 51 minus 43, over the difference in x's, which is 3 minus 2. And the slope equals, let's see, slope equals 8 over 1, which is 8. So I'm going to put this into the equation, but I've got to figure out the rest of it. So that's going to be y minus 43, and I picked the smallest point, equals the slope times x minus 2. So I put the y value here, the x value here. So you have y minus 43 equals 8x minus 16. And I have y, I'm going to rewrite it so I can finish this. I'm going to add 43 to both sides. Y equals 8x plus 27. Let me check and see if that's right. And it is. Okay, so here's the equation for Denver. There's the equation for Chicago. And so then let's look at the directions. It says, which city's parking garage charges more per hour? Chicago charges more per hour because it's 15 for every hour, and Denver charges $8 for every hour. So Chicago charges more. Let me erase that. Chicago charges more. More per hour. There's only an hour charge that it's more. Okay, the next thing, it says by how much more? It's $7 more. It's 15 minus 8. So Chicago charges more per hour, and that would be $7 more. Okay, after how many hours would parking in both cities cost the same? Well, if it's the same, we can put them equal to each other, and that'll give us the answer. So 15x plus 20 equals 8x plus 27. Subtract 8x from both sides, and you have 7x plus 20 equals 27. Subtract 20 from both sides, and you have 7x equals 7. I'm going to move over here. If 7x equals 7, x equals 1. So at 1 hour, they cost the same. And as soon as after that 1 hour, Chicago's going to cost more because it's $15 for every hour.